Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys. In this episode, I'm going to show you 15 Disney Pixar Cars characters from Radiator Springs. So here is my collection of all the Cars characters from the little town of Radiator Springs. There are 15 in all, so let's get started. Number 1 is Mater. Number 2, Hydraulic Ramone. Number 3 is Luigi, and number 4 is Guido. Number 5 is Sheriff, and number 6 is Sarge. Number 7 is Red. Number 8 is Brand New Mater. Number 9 is Ramone. Number 10, Fillmore. Number 11 is Cruisin' Lightning Mcqueen. Number 12 is Flo. Number 13 is Lizzie. Number 14, Doc Hudson. And number 15 is Sally with Tattoo. Well, that's it for this episode of Show and Tell Toys. Can you please click the thumbs up button right here and make sure you subscribe to the Show and Tell Toys channel. Make sure you check out my channel for other Disney Pixar Cars videos and for more exciting toys. Click on a picture to watch another awesome toy video, or click on the question mark to watch a super secret surprise mystery video.